And finally we can make a broom, and using that broom we can clean dust particles, and that will be very good. Later we constructed a whistle. If we blow it, it will open or unfold. Here we're going to show an amazing trick. Take water in 2 different glasses with different levels, and then if you do this, water from one glass will move to the other as shown. Here again we are making small flower from the beandable tube portion of the straw, and then we are joining it with an earbud. Thus we make flowers, and we can make similar flowers and keep them together to form bunches of flowers. How does this look? Wow, amazing.